know about current flow?
That current is flowing through these.
Yeah, but it means that I've got maximum current flow.
Okay.
Right, now the inductor prevents maximum current. What's that? That was close.
Is that your car?
What was that?
What was that?
Train?
Yeah. Got a new train route. Okay, so we've said that we've got 1 volt here, and we said if we put 1 volt here, we're going to have